Want to build powerful AI chatbots and smart automations without learning how to code? InitVent's AI automation engineering and entrepreneurship program is designed for beginners, professionals, and entrepreneurs who want to build real AI solutions using no-code tools. In this program, you will learn powerful no-code and low-code AI automation tools, including Zapier, Make, InitVent, Flowise, and Dify, along with other industry-leading platforms. You will build real-world AI chatbot and automation projects and launch your own AI automation business in just 3 months. Be part of the first generation of AI innovators in Bangladesh. Seats are limited. Enroll today and turn your ideas into reality. Contact us to learn more. Visit InitVent.com and follow us on Facebook page and YouTube channel.